Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to use about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative 2x next to y, that is for integrating factor. And we have e to the power of negative s squared after we doing this integration. So we multiply both sides by this one. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have ye to the power of negative s squared. Now I will concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to negative s squared. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equal to negative 2x dx. Because we don't have negative number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by negative number 2. This one we change by u. S dx we change by this one. So this one we have negative number 5. The integration of this one, we have negative number 5 e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about negative s squared, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to negative number 3. And now I will put number 0 gone here, negative number 3 gone here. And now we have like this. So I will put negative number 5 go to the left. So 5 minus number 3, we have positive number 2. And we put number 2 gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.